First-time homebuyers often dream of the sense of accomplishment that comes with owning a home. It's not just about having a place to call their own, it's about the pride of achieving a significant milestone. Many are drawn to the stability and security that homeownership offers, providing a safe haven for themselves and their families. Additionally, they see homeownership as a wise investment opportunity, hoping their property will appreciate over time, leading to potential financial gain. Despite these desires, first-time homebuyers frequently encounter frustrations. The home buying process can be overwhelming, with complex paperwork and financial hurdles. Many struggle with finding a property within their budget that meets their needs and preferences. The competitive nature of the housing market can also be discouraging, as bidding wars and fast-moving sales add pressure. These challenges can make the journey to homeownership feel daunting and stressful. First-time homebuyers often face fears that can overshadow their excitement. Fear of making a poor investment decision is common, as they worry about property values fluctuating. Concerns about unforeseen maintenance costs and the long-term financial commitment can also be intimidating. Additionally, the responsibility of managing a mortgage and the potential impact on their lifestyle can cause anxiety. These fears highlight the complexities of embarking on the path to homeownership.